Hello and welcome to our new video. Today is the video about basics of heart sound, how heart sound produce high pitch, low pitch, and what time it is when heart sound is produced. So let's start the video. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Let's start. First we will talk about first heart sound. First heart sound is produced due to the mitral and tricuspid valve closure. It is a high pitch sound and it heard in the starting of systole. You can heard by diaphragm of stethoscope. It is important how you can hear sound by use of diaphragm or bell of stethoscope. Now let's talk about second heart sound. Second heart sound, it is produced due to the aortic and pulmonary valve closure. It is a high pitch sound and heard at the end of systole. It is also heard by diaphragm of stethoscope like first heart sound. So this thing is the basic of heart sound. You have to remember for start reading anything complicated things about heart sound. Let's talk about third heart sound. Third heart sound is not normally heard, but you can heard by the bell of stethoscope. It is produced due to the blood rush and it is a low pitch sound and heard during the diastole. You should remember third and fourth heart sound is heard during the diastole and first and second heart sound heard during the systole. First in the starting of systole means onset of systole and second is end of systole, when third and fourth during the diastole. Now we will talk about fourth heart sound. See, fourth heart sound is produced due to the atrial contraction. It is a low pitch heart sound heard during the diastole and you can heard by bell of stethoscope. So third and fourth heart sound is heard by bell of stethoscope. It is heard during diastole. Low pitch sound, it is a common in third and fourth heart sound. In first and second heart sound is high pitch heard during systole and by diaphragm of stethoscope. It is common between first and second heart sound. If you want the PDF and new medical material, join our Telegram channel. Link is given in bio. Please like the video, share to your colleagues and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.